What if I told you that I'm going to be showing you how to gain a huge income in today's video? A huge income, really, and I mean more than $1,700 just by checking emails on a brand new website. I won't even make you wait any longer since I know you guys are probably going wild right now and it sounds exciting. So if you want to start, just hover your mouse and keep watching this video. Hello and welcome to the Money Hustle, where earning should never be troubling. On this channel, we offer the most recent strategies for making money online. Be sure to join the channel's subscription list. You may start creating change by setting up a notification bell so that you are informed whenever we publish a new video on how to make money online. Please hit the like button next to this video as well. If you have any questions or concerns, don't hesitate to leave them in the comment section below. As a result, anyone can download this application for free from anywhere in the world. You will have access to this website no matter where you are, no matter how far away your country may be. If I haven't said it before, the best part about it is that it's completely free. You don't require any special abilities or background knowledge. It's beginner-friendly, incredibly simple to do, and will make you a ton of money. Simply make sure you have an internet connection, basically a steady, acceptable one, and that's literally ideal already. All you need is whatever gadget you already have, so you don't even have to spend, invest, or pay for any materials because whatever you have, that's literally it. So if you're curious about the website we'll be discussing today, just continue to watch and let's begin immediately. I'm going to start by visiting this website, volutic.com. As you can see, this service will pay you to read and open emails for free, as it says on their homepage. Earn money by reading emails. Thus, wherever you are, you can get money by reading and opening emails with Volutic. You can choose whether to use a computer, tablet, or phone. This method is totally free, available everywhere, and it's awesome. As a result, when you scroll down once more, you'll notice a sentence that reads, "We pay you for every email you read." This implies that you don't even have to wait for a long time to cash out your money because they do have a minimum payout threshold of 20 cents. That is so low. Additionally, you can take part in the website's referral program, which is rather perfect. They have 6 levels of referral commissions. You will receive a 50% commission on the first level and 100% commission on the highest level, which you will not receive anywhere else on the internet, I am certain. Plus, they will pay $1 for each referral that makes $1. The website also has over 10,000 registered members in total, which is actually not a lot. Scroll down a little further to see your members and their earnings. Because there is currently less competition, it is beneficial for us that this website is not yet well known. We arrive earlier than everyone else. And you'll discover that there are currently more members online than this number. You'll find that they've distributed more than $500,000 to only 10,000 people. Just consider how unbalanced a $500,000 distribution to 10,000 people would be. So picture how much one of these 10,000 people makes. Before you do anything on the website, which we will be making money from by simply opening emails, you should know that there are literally no restrictions with it. You can achieve things that are beyond your wildest expectations. You must first build and manage an email account. Even though everyone watching already has an email, I still urge you to create a new one, as you'll only use this one for this. You probably don't want your personal email to be mixed up with any professional emails. Therefore, the best course of action is to open up and create a new email. You can use Gmail, Yahoo, Outlook, or any other email services you choose. However, I prefer to use Gmail. It's quite simple and properly connected. I'm going to take that option because it is the most practical for me. But for you, it is entirely your decision. However, I will proceed with trying to create a new Gmail account. But before that, I want to know what country you live in and what payment methods you like so that I may use that information in my future videos. I always enjoy it when you guys comment below because it helps me come up with new ideas and thoughts. So make sure you do that. Let's watch the rest of the video now. So I'll advise you to sign up for a Gmail account. In order to do this, you need to visit gmail.com and then click the sign up button. You will of course register an account, and once you begin developing an account, it will direct you to this page where you must fill up all the required information. This includes your first and last names, your username, and your chosen password. Once you have finished, click here. We currently have 2. Although it is optional, you can simply enter it to safeguard your account. You simply need to provide your gender, date of birth, and recovery email address before clicking the next button. You can also select to input your phone number, then after that, it will direct you to a page where you may read their terms of service and privacy statement. If you're too lazy to read it, then just agree right away and that's it. So now that we have an account, and I highly recommend that you do so, we return to volutic.com. But first, before we do, please like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel as doing so greatly benefits the channel. You won't regret it because every week we have brand new videos for you. Also, why not press the notification bell? Then let's wrap things up so you can leave and begin making money. The only thing left to do is make an account, which you can accomplish by just hitting this register button. You would be directed to this page where you would fill out this form along with your username, email address, and password. Then leave the referral field empty. If you do have a referral, it would be ideal if a friend or someone you know who uses our website asks you to be their referral so they can earn more money. If not, it's okay. The best part is that you can repeat the process for everybody who signs up after you. Anyway, after reading the website's terms of service and privacy notice once more, just check the first 2 boxes. Please make sure that this last box is left unchecked since you presumably do not want to receive daily spam emails from this website. You simply need to click the register button after that to get an email activating your account. To authorize your account, all you need to do is open the email in question, click the activation link, and your account will be activated immediately. This is what the dashboard will look like when you log in for the first time. Therefore, this website will begin sending you emails every day as soon as you register an account. All you need to do to receive payment is to open it and read the emails. There are a few further pointers that I want to share with you now and that you can always adopt. It's not required, it's only optional. The first is that your emails will get here every day, but you might miss them and the chance to earn money because they actually keep track of it and some of the emails end up in the spam folder. Due to this reason, be sure to regularly check your spam folder. The first advice is that, however, you can take steps to prevent these emails from ever appearing in the spam folder. How? We can try to change that, so to be able to do that, you'll star these emails so they'll become your favorites. If you find these emails in your spam folder, all you have to do is click on the 3 dots and there will be an option that will let you move them from the spam folder into the inbox. And that's about it. By employing that strategy, you may maximize your income. If you want to earn even more money, you can do so by visiting our profile and viewing our other videos. There, you'll learn a simple YouTube hack for earning money online simply by watching videos. What are you waiting for? Go and start earning. Again, this is The Money Hustle. Thanks for watching. See you next time.